From your private asset delivery dashboard, you can create new downloadable files or groups of downloadable files anytime. To do so, you just click on this Add New button right here. Now, we call these asset groups because, like I mentioned, it's about downloadable assets, and you're not limited to just one link per email. So you can create bundles or groups of downloadable files or download links that you can send to new subscribers. And that's why it's called an asset group. And when you're naming your asset group, that is basically the name of your opt-in offer. So let's say this could be something like weight loss report. So I'm going to give that this name, and that would be equivalent to, let's say, maybe the title on the ebook you're giving away or something like that. And then you can add files, and you can add them one by one in this interface right here. So you click on Add New File, and this will open your Media Manager, where you can add files by just dragging and dropping them into this interface. You can select files that you've already uploaded, or you can go to Insert from URL and you can paste in maybe an Amazon S3 link or something like that. So anywhere where you have stored your downloadable data, you can link to that, or you can use the Media Manager. And then you can give this a name. So by default, it will just grab the file name right here, but you can give this a better sounding name for your email template, such as weight loss ebook, something like that. And then the anchor text, same thing here. This is what will show up as the clickable text in the email. So this could be something like, click here to download the report. So that's what the recipient will actually click on to get this link. And you can test your links anytime because they're displayed right here. And like I said, you can add more than one file. I'm just going to select something randomly and name that as well. And you can have whole groups, whole lists of download links, downloadable files that you want to send to new subscribers. And then when you click on Save and Continue, you will find this new file in the list. And whenever you create an opt-in form, you have the option to send this asset group to people who sign up through that form.